Thank you, John. I stand on all the existing protocols. My name is Bisi Bright. I'd like to talk about the work we're doing in Nigeria. Danjuma he said a bit about what's happening in Nigeria, West Africa generally. We are the Women in Hepatitis Africa, the only women's organization actually advocating for viral hepatitis on behalf of the women gender in Africa. And we work across the disparities, population disparities from low income, low literacy to the high income women. And we actually run a women's wellness center for hepatitis in a very low income part of Lagos. It's the biggest riverine slum in Africa called Makoko. It houses about 500,000 people, very low income, low literacy. We've trained women hepatitis champions in that community, women who've never been to school, never been educated, but they are champions, and we've been able to impact the uptake of birth dose vaccination because the women who have been trained as champions ensure that other pregnant women around them visit the health system. Even though they give birth with the traditional birth attendants, like Danjuma said, they would go to the health system within 24 hours of having their babies because of the fact that they know they don't want their babies to have a bad liver. We usually describe to them what a bad liver is. They know that if they see it in the flea market, so they know. So they don't want their babies to have a bad liver, and so they go for the birth dose vaccination, and we've been able to impact the uptake of birth dose vaccination very remarkably, and we hope to continue to do more. We also screen every single pregnant woman for viral hepatitis, whether or not they are giving birth in a skilled birthing center. They do come in for their screening because they don't want their unborn babies to have a bad liver. And where they test positive, we link them to care. So we facilitate linkages to care. There's a lot of advocacy and awareness work going on. And we hope that we'll have partners so that we can scale this work. It is very impactful. We have quite a lot of data to support this. Thank you.
Thank you very much.